just got a Nando's. I'm not going to pick it up because the bag's breaking. But I thought a lot of people, they want to know how to get some commission to get the cheeky Nando's right there. You know what I mean? They want to find out some ways to make money online that will give them commission to make some, you know, to be able to buy some Nando's. Maybe you want to buy some Scran. maybe you want to be able to buy anything you want in life, right? You want to have the freedom to do anything you want. Obviously, there's a bit of a pandemic going on. A lot of people have been finding it hard to work. A lot of people have lost their jobs. A lot of people have lost their businesses, and it's horrible. It really is horrible. But meanwhile, while everyone else has been probably horrifically struggling, we've had a... Alright, you have to ignore this. I'm not moving it, but I just realised how annoying it was. A lot of people have been struggling. We've been doing alright. Now it's not to go, hey, we've been doing good, we've been doing this. It's not any of that. The reason why I'm telling you that today is because I want to help you find ways to make money online. Because while everybody else is, while all the, what's it called, all businesses that, you know, restaurants, everything else like that, all the businesses I'm driving past right now, you know, while all these businesses have really suffered because of the pandemic and everything else like that, while all these businesses have suffered, all the online businesses have thrived. Let me show you an example. Boohoo Man, thriving, probably one of the biggest clothing companies at the moment, or just Boohoo in general, not Boohoo Man, but you know, Boohoo, because they're doing men and women. Boohoo is probably one of the biggest clothing companies out there at the moment. Is raking it in. They're doing really well. They just bought Debenhams, which is a high street brand that was in the UK that is probably one of the biggest high street brands out there. They've just bought it for their online business and their name and everything else like that. Goes to show that a couple of years ago, or I don't know how many years ago, Boohoo wasn't a thing. Debenhams was one of the biggest, you know, retailers for clothes and everything else. Now it's went into administration and now it's being bought by another company. This Daisy Duster is going 30 miles per hour at 40 and that's Debenhams, right? That's Debenhams, right? So I'm going to go through 3 examples for you to make commission online, right? Now, just basically that story at the beginning was just to say, go online, that's the word to make money. And now I'm not trying to decredit anything that's going on with anything in their lives. You know what I mean? Everything that's happened for a lot of people is horrible. Now, it's completely horrible and it's out of their control. Now, we can either sit here and go, oh, it's out of our control, there's nothing we can do, or we can just try and solve these problems. These problems have been put in front of us for a reason, right? The first way to make money online, trading. Now, you might be like, lad, I'm not trading. I'm not doing any of that crypto. I'm not doing any of some sort of fake stuff. People see it as fake. People see it as time wasting and everything else like that. I'm not trying to sell you any fake forex signals or anything. I'm not about that. I'm not trying to, you know, do your head in, because not even a couple months ago I didn't even know how to do trading at all. My dad did, and I was just like, I don't even know how to do this, you know what I mean? Like, I really didn't know how to do it. It just seemed so hard to do. And basically, I've learned from something called I Am Academy. Now, a lot of people see this as some sort of fake, horrible thing that takes everyone's money. And to that, I really don't get why people do that. I think because a lot of people have sold it on the multi-level marketing aspect of it, you know. And if you sign up so many people, you get so much commission. That's a good part of it, but not everyone knows ways to do that. Obviously we do, but not everyone really knows ways to do that and how to get people on board. And if they've sold it for that reason, they're obviously going to think that. But the reason I bought into it is to learn stock trading, to learn how to do it properly from other people. Now, the way I do this is other people actually show you their trades. They show you the trades that they've made. They're actual experienced traders. They make millions from trading, and they're paid to show you the trades that they make every day and to teach you how to trade. I don't think it's every day. I think it's Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday when the markets are open. I believe they might do some cryptocurrency ones on the weekend. But yeah, they show you the trades that they make, the right trades to make, and the risk reward factor for everything. And now I've learned so much from that. I basically used their trades and made lots of money. Now obviously some trades have failed, but the majority of them have done well. And They teach you everything about risk reward. They teach you how to do stop losses and everything else like that. Some trades, didn't go well, but then I was able to put a stop loss. If anyone knows what stop loss is, it basically means that it sells at a certain point, so you don't lose as much money, or you basically are able to get your money back. Not your money back, but you're not. If a trade doesn't go your way, then you basically don't lose all that money, right? I'm new to trading, by the way. I'm going to go through more things I'm experiencing in a bit. I just thought I'd get this on the way. And basically, they use that. They use stop losses, everything else like that. I use stop loss, and there's some trades that I made that didn't go well, but I was able to put a stop loss at the place I bought into. So I basically didn't lose any money from it. So there's ways to go about it, and they teach you how to actually make sure you don't lose money. Some trades actually did trigger, and the stop loss did trigger, and I lost money. But in reality, I've made more money than I've lost. So you win some, you lose some. Now they basically teach you that you win some, you lose some. Look at the risk reward factor, and look at so many ways to trade. And there's ways to trade if you try and make there's ways to trade that actually have a lot to do with compound interest, and that's what I've been learning. If you do these compound interest like mechanisms and everything else like that, then you can make a lot of money over time. You can literally make more interest than ever before in your whole entire life period. So if you want anything to know, if you want to know anything about the people that have been teaching me how to do it, then make sure to not miss out on this opportunity. By the way, don't miss out on it. Make sure to either email us at team@madabout.media, or you can click on the link that's in the description below. Now we're going to go on to the second one. I'm not going to bore you anymore. Let's go on to the second one, drop shipping. Now drop shipping, if you've ever heard of it before, is basically you make some sort of website catered towards, I don't know, it could be a pet website, it could be anything that actually helps sell product. Helps with the products that you solve some sort of problem. My words are like falling out my mouth today. But basically, what that does is you make some website that's solving problems for people. You're selling some products that are solving problems for people. You basically buy these products every time someone creates an order on your actual store, and this is using Shopify. Now you use this, and every time someone purchases an order, you use marketing to get people in. Every time someone purchases an order, you take off what they basically have the cost of goods, and you put some profit on top of it. Now, the way to do this fully is use that at the start. You want to use dropshipping at the start. It's a great business method, but a lot of problems with dropshipping is bad shipping times. So people, stop going to their own websites. People think it's cheap shit, basically, from China, which sometimes it is. You want to make sure that it's a good quality product. A lot of the problems people have with dropshipping itself, like I mentioned, is delivery times. So you want to, after a while, if a product's really selling well, then you want to actually buy it. A lot of these, you want to buy a lot of the, you want to buy a lot of the products. My words are not coming out of your mouth. You want to buy a lot of the products in bulk and store them in a warehouse, right? And you want to do advertisements to a certain country and make sure they're stored in a warehouse in the same country. You can use a lot of different ways to do this, like CJ dropshipping, which is some sort of filler for your dropshipping products, and you can make a lot of money from this, knowing the marketing behind it, knowing how to do it properly. When you make a lot of money from it, it's a really great business model to get started, and to be able to create a full entire online e-commerce business. It's a great way to actually raise the money for this. So yeah, I highly recommend that. The third way is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing, I'm going to go through really quickly. I'm not going to waste your time, because a lot of you are probably like, oh, you've wasted my time. But affiliate marketing is basically you send someone to somebody else's product and you get commission for it, right? And there's many ways to do this. And one of the ways to do it is either by paid traffic, so Facebook ads, Google ads, anything else like that, or you can do it through organic traffic, which is you basically create some sort of social page, then send people from that social page to the affiliate commission offer or the affiliate offer, and then you basically get commission for every time you get a sale. Now, you don't want to be promoting random products to a completely different audience. So you don't want to be promoting pet products to an audience that like beauty and like makeup and everything else like that. You don't want to be doing that. You want to be able to make sure you promote it and send it to the audience that will actually help solve that problem. If an audience, a target audience, has a certain problem and you have an affiliate commission offer, some sort of affiliate offer, you could then send that affiliate offer to that person and solve their problem, if it solves their problem. So a common problem that people could have with, let's say, the beauty industry, a lot of people could have problems with makeup being artificial, makeup, you know, maybe makeup's been tested on animals to make sure, to see if it works, horrible stuff like that. You can then be like, well, our makeup solves this problem. We don't use any harsh chemicals that can make your face horrible, anything else like that. And you can find affiliate deals for all these different sort of companies. Now, if you're like, I don't even know where to start, I don't even know where to get affiliate commission, you can probably find affiliates in anything. Just go into Google, and let's say you want to promote, let's say you have an audience already or something you like you want to promote music products. Type in music affiliate programs, and then find different ones that will come up, register for them, and then find different ways to actually promote that product. Now, there's many ways to do this, and we actually do a video which you can go and click in the description below, that teaches you how to actually get your conversion rate up. So getting the amount of people that go onto your actual thing, to your actual offer, getting them to sign up to the offer even more, and getting more and more sales on. So we actually do a video on that. You can go click it in the description below. But until then, thank you all for watching. Sending you lots of love. I know that times like this are hard, and don't worry though, you're gonna get through it. Just sending you all lots of love. We're gonna get through this together. Just make sure you put in the work to be able to, reap the rewards. So yeah, thank you all for watching. Have a blessed day. Subscribe for more money making online content, and I'll see you later.